Unlock smarter resume critiques, see how chain of thought reasoning spots gaps and boosts your fit for any job description. We're building a smart script that reviews your resume, compares it to a job description, and gives you step-by-step feedback to help you land that dream job. First up, we're importing the libraries we'll need, starting with OS, which helps us interact with files and environment variables. Now we're bringing in more tools. JSON for data, .env to load secret keys, PIPDF2 to read PDFs, and some AI helpers from LangChain and OpenAI. Let's load our API key from a hidden .env file, so we can keep our credentials safe and out of the code. Here, we're setting the OpenAI API key in our environment, so our AI model knows how to connect securely. Next, we're defining a function called extract underline text underline from underline PDF. It'll grab all the text from any PDF file you give it. Inside the function, we read each page of the PDF, pull out the text, and stitch it all together into one clean string. Now, we're using our function to load the resume PDF and save its text into a variable called resume underline text. Let's set up a sample job description. This is what we'll compare the resume against to spot any gaps. Here's the actual job description. It lists all the skills and experience needed for a store manager in an automotive shop. Now, we're creating a prompt template. This is like a blueprint for how we'll ask the AI to review the resume. We tell the AI to act as a resume reviewer, and we set up placeholders for the resume and the job description. The prompt guides the AI to break down the job requirements, check them against the resume, and suggest improvements step by step. We include the full resume text right in the prompt, so the AI has all the details it needs. And we add the job description too, so the AI can compare both side by side. Finally, we tell the AI exactly how to format its feedback, making it super easy to read and act on. Let's fire up the AI. We're using OpenAI's GPT 4.1 model with a low temperature for focused, reliable answers. Now we're chaining everything together: the prompt, the AI model, and a parser to clean up the output. Time to run the chain. We pass in the resume and job description, and the AI gets to work analyzing and critiquing. Let's print out the AI's feedback and see exactly what skills match, what's missing, and how to make your resume shine. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.